Hello, welcome to Shri Tarot. Seema, hi. So I'm planning to do Aries first. I'm doing all zodiac signs for this weekend, for this month. So let me start from Aries. Then let me take your question, Seema. Okay. Aries, this week I see something good news about career or something. Maybe giving more time on career, something on mainly working hard for what you want. And mainly in relationship, one more thing what I'm getting is there might be weekend plans or something going out for Aries this week. And for long term, something saving I'm seeing. Whatever you plan this week will be about finance mainly. So on your plans everything will come to the whatever plans you make, it will come to you almost in coming days. I see positive for Aries for this week, for the rest of month. Okay. So Bharti Anand, welcome. Please subscribe the YouTube channel and post a question. सीमा, गवर्नमेंट जॉब कब तक मिलेगी? Guys, please share. I need to see more people joining fast, so I'll start once they join. Bharti, it is in pinned comment. Individually I can't do it here. You'll have to go and check the description box. सीमा, गवर्नमेंट जॉब कब तक मिलेगी? टीचिंग कब तक? Seema, I think that is 2 question. I don't understand. Please make it 1 question and send me back. Bharti, once you subscribe, make a specific question. Health related for long term I can't tell you, but for few months, for coming 3 months I can tell you. So next I'm gonna take a Leo. So I'll do Leo reading for this rest of the month. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, the cards for Leo for the rest of the month. Leo, what's going on with Leos? I'm feeling that you're trying to balance wherever you are. Maybe on relationship, maybe on your family, maybe on career, it might be, or fixing things in your job or a company. So definitely everything will settle soon for you. This week maybe you will be planning for travel or something like that. I see some people moving out of the city or something. Some people may travel this weekend or next weekend. and there are a lot of options for you. Leos, I feel be open to the options, whichever you are very much comfortable, you can choose those options and move forward in that. But definitely both will work for you. But try to balance whatever you have right now. Okay, I see a future growth in both aspects for you. So for Leo, this is what I got for this rest of the month. Thank you. So Sansoli, this man Bharti Anand, welcome. Bharti, are you here? So Sagittarius, I'm gonna do Sagittarius now. Rest of the month reading for Sagittarius. Sagittarius, I see travel for you. I see maybe something you're planning to travel with family or maybe with your partners in coming 2 weeks. Maybe worried of finance for traveling, or you're waiting for something, some news or for some job related things, where I see a positive sign coming through it, but you'll have to wait little more for that. But news are delaying. I see news are delaying, but I see travel definitely. So this weekend, maybe within 6 weeks or 6 months, there is really a good news coming in your way. But in relationship, there might be little problems or judgments around you or something, ups and downs. But try to balance everything. But I see a travel for you definitely in coming 2-3 weeks. And there is something about news, job you're waiting, some job news you're waiting. So Sagittarius, all the best. Maybe this week you'll be worrying about this, but 6 weeks or 6 months, there is a good time for job for you to settle. So come, there is a good opportunities coming for you in 6 weeks or 6 months. Okay, Sanju Yadav, welcome. Please share and subscribe the YouTube channel for the question. Guys, welcome to Shri Tarot. Please subscribe the YouTube channel, then post your question. I have a sharer tag. So fire signs I have already done. So rest of earth sign and air sign and water sign are pending. So let me take a question now. Please post your questions. So next is earth sign. So I'll take Taurus first. Cleopatra, hello, welcome. Sanju Yadav, did you subscribe the YouTube channel? Sanju Yadav, did you write any exams on job, government job, mainly any paperwork you have done? Guys, I'm waiting for the people to join. Once they join, I'll start the taking questions. In between, I'll be doing zodiac signs reading for rest of this month. Ital, I'll give you a free reading, dear. If you have a question, definitely you can post. You can get a detailed reading for your birthday. It is the gift from my side. But please subscribe the YouTube channel. Support me. Cleopatra, yes, general reading, please. Angel guidance. Okay, dear, I'll give you. Please like the live session. Okay, Cleopatra, just a minute. We'll finish Sanju Yadav. Please subscribe. After you subscribe, I'll take your question, Sanju. So Cleopatra will get an angel card. Cleopatra, give me one card for Cleopatra. Angels, spirits, guides, universe, give me one card for Cleopatra. Okay, Cleopatra, this is your card for coming weeks. There is something sudden event coming in your way, Cleopatra. Be ready. You need to take some immediate attention on that. So I see time is of the essence. Something like think things truly carefully. Okay, this is what I got from angels. So there is something passionate, adventurous life for you in coming days. So be self-assured, be assertive and restless. Okay, thank you, Cleopatra. Guys, Sanju Yadav, exam, okay, you're taking exams in coming months. So let me see for you, okay, SSC GD, okay, my exam, definitely Sanju, I see a patience card for you, a temperance card, where you need to balance your mind first, thoughts, okay, everything is right now on your thoughts, where you think positively, definitely there is a positive outcome for you in exam. So definitely I see a government job for you. So strength card and temperance represents that you need to be more patient, avoid conflicts in your mind, okay, mainly don't fight in your head. Don't think negative thoughts put on your head, and don't think on that for long time. Maybe I don't see any change. If you think like that, it may take more time, or there may be more delays for that. If you be like this, come out of it, write your exams, go through it well. There is something telling me that a tower card where you should give more attention on your studies right now. For the papers, maybe if you have any doubt, go through it again. Be attentive, be confident. So I see a positive outcome for you in government job, Sanju Yadav. Thank you. So let me pull Taurus card first for this weekend for Taurus. Taurus, something is gonna come in your way about people around you, something there might be little bit judgmental energies around you. I see somebody will be happy sometimes, somebody will be having conflict sometimes. Everything will not be in balance for Taurus this weekend. So I see something like Ace of Cups from your energy, from your side. If there is a positive growth in their relationship or something in your relationship with around you or the persons who involve with you on daily basis, definitely I see a change, positive change this weekend. But later on it will be the same in behind, where I see talking back behind, like something, there is communication behind your back negatively, something like that. So I like, don't worry on that, but definitely there is a Wheel of Fortune card. Everything is in your hand. I see a positive growth or positive sign coming in your way. It's a Wheel of Fortune, so definitely fortunate card. Whatever your wishes are coming through. Okay, thank you, Taurus. Who is next? Okay, so let me continue with the Virgo now. So Virgo for this week, rest of this month. Virgo for rest of the month. Virgo, I see long-term plans for you. Whatever you're starting right now, it is coming to the fruit. It might be for long-term, definitely a positive growth, but there might be lot of sorrows in you, or some sadness inside you, where already you're dealing with lot of pain. You have overcome all this, and maybe you're standing where you're right now. It takes too much time to be there, but definitely everything you have overcome very well. I see for Virgo there is 2-3 options coming around, or maybe 2-3 plans. You have to stick on one for financial growth. Maybe lot of concentration and attention from your side should be given this weekend about the finance, about the money growth, about your stand, your foundation. Something maybe you need to start newly, or something you need to work on for long term. Something I'm thinking this weekend completely will be thinking of long term plans only, mainly. So whatever hurted you, or whatever been not worked yet for you, definitely you have to be like Eight of Swords, where everybody behind you are talking behind your back, or everybody are not interested about you. It's okay, then too you can move forward. There is a blindfold, there is even you can close your heads, close your eyes, you can move forward. There is a growth for you in finance. You can stand on your ground. You can balance two things also at a time. But definitely I don't want you to take a step for a risk, because two things, no need. You have to fix for long term one thing first. So Virgos, all the best for this weekend. This is what I got. Thank you. RK Singh, please subscribe the YouTube channel and post your question. So I'm doing zodiac signs. Let me finish this, and we'll be back again live. So that time I'll take question sessions. Okay. So now I'm doing Capricorn for the rest of the week. Capricorn, this is for you. Capricorn, lot of responsibilities, lot of burdens, lot of tensions, lot of chaotic things around you. Maybe you could not balance or something, but definitely there is some savings where I see you're holding and sitting and thinking of to invest somewhere, or to have something for your own sake in the future, to own something for yourself, for monthly income or something like that, for finance, like for every month finance, something you're been worried of, or something about money you're worried of, to give and take something. It might be maybe you have taken from somebody else the money, or there is a lack of time for you to return it or something, without with the small investment or a big investment, something about that you're worrying. The Magician card, definitely it is possible. What all you're thinking right now, definitely it will be possible in coming weeks for you. But before that, you have to initiate yourself to take more responsibilities, more burdens on yourself, without with being independent, not depending on others. Okay. this weekend completely, this month you'll be planning, in coming days you'll be planning this only, Capricorn. Thank you. This is your reading for this is what I got. Okay, so next I'm going to hear Gemini. Okay, so Gemini, I'm gonna give Gemini a reading for the rest of this week. Gemini, welcome for Gemini. Same energy I'm getting. Maybe Capricorn is involved with any Gemini signs or something. I see a lot of big changes coming, big transformation going on with Gemini sign people. So Justice card, where I see maybe something you're deciding about, something on relationship, maybe on career or foundation. Maybe you're thinking which is suitable to you right now. Maybe you're worrying about money. I think mainly money. This I see for mainly for all this fire, earth. I think Capricorn, Leo, Aries are more into this money this weekend, next weekend, coming weekend. So everybody are planning for savings or investment somewhere to actually pay your bills or something, to have efficient finance. So Justice card for Gemini, this is not a good time for you to invest anywhere. I don't see money income growth for this month, in coming week for you. So be aware of this, because there is some people who are judging you because of money or because of no money, I see. So be careful, Gemini. All the best. In coming week, I see you will be worried too much about this. Rest little bit and leave the worries, okay? Because there is not a good time for you to take any initiative for this. Okay, so okay, Libra next. For Libra, okay, Libra, maybe you will lose your patience. Maybe there you need to take more. You have to work on more being yourself, being settled in your patience, mainly on your tensions, or maybe if you are risking yourself to talk more, definitely it comes back to you. But this weekend and coming month you need to balance more little bit. Maybe everything, maybe all Libras are managing too highly right now. They're like very high in their space. They're balancing too much. They're balancing water, they're balancing sky, mountain, everything in one place. Maybe all types of people are around you. So relationship, I see a next level relationship for you. I see marriage for some Libras in coming month. So definitely there might be some talks about in coming weeks about the partnership, or maybe marriage, or maybe even in career or job. The Empress card, where I see for Libra there might be pregnancy coming in your way in this coming months. So mainly what I'm getting is for this weekend I wanted to tell, but it's giving me more than 3 months reading for you people, for Libra. So Empress card, be patient, be assertive, you're a queen in your home. Maybe this is not like male or female, it might be vice versa, but definitely whatever you move on, whatever steps you take, I see judgment around you. Be careful, but definitely you will win from all this. Okay, you will win from all these negative judgments or positive judgments. You are the winner finally. Okay, so thank you, Libra. संजू यादव, आपका गवर्नमेंट जॉब मिलेगी, मैं बोला आपको मिलेगी. एग्ज़ाम थोड़ा ध्यान दो, फिर एग्ज़ाम लिखो, और फिर से आपको थोड़ा एग्ज़ाम पर थोड़ा ज्ञान दीजिए, बट सब कुछ ठीक होगा. ओके, थैंक यू संजू. सो लेट मी डू फॉर Aquarius now. Aquarius, everything very good. I see relationship stability coming. There might be happy times. There might be moving out, spending time with your family members, kids. Maybe in this weekend you'll be planning to go out somewhere. But definitely whatever I see, maybe if partner close to you or far from you, if there is a disconnection, definitely I see a reconciliation, something, meeting back them again and spending time with them. There was a lot of chaotic relationship or toxic which you underwent, maybe some third party involvement in your relationship. I see everything in coming to positive in coming days. I see positive changes in relationship for you. Spend little time with your partners. Maybe it might be related to even your job or career, but definitely mainly for some almost like 60 to 70% people, I'm feeling it's about relationship growth, balancing, and making time for each other, partnership or something like that. Even in career, mainly I see partnership, finance growth, giving and taking, something will be going on, so planning on that things. So sharing it equally also, it's a thing here, mainly what I'm getting. Whatever you get, you need to share equally, what I feel, Aquarius. So for this week, maybe you'll be doing this or planning for this. So this is what I got for you for rest of week. Thank you, Aquarius. So water sign, lastly I am doing Sangeeta. Message me directly for a private reading, dear. Okay, because it is too big. Will I get the defense job within 2023? Because the whole requirements will be finished within 2023. Okay, Sangeeta, hold on. Let me do water sign for the rest of the month, then take your question. Okay, did you subscribe, Sangeeta? I don't see subscription. YouTube channel, you have to subscribe and post your question. Okay, next we'll do for Cancer. Okay, Cancer, this month reading for Cancer, I see lots of adults for you, maybe will come, or maybe you're crossing, you're overcoming that. Maybe 2 more adults are left or something like that. You're at the edge right now. Try to balance yourself, Cancer. Try to balance yourself, because there might be mood swings. Maybe everything will get better with when your partner is with you or something like that. I'm feeling there is something about love improvement this weekend for you. You'll have to talk with your connect with your arts, with your partners, and talk in a right way, where art to art connection should be important there, eye to eye contact, something like that. So definitely Hanged Man, because you are withdrawing your energy from the marriage or from the relationship this weekend. Maybe you can't give more time to them, or maybe lack of interest will be there this weekend. But definitely something about adults, what I'm getting is almost all adults are you have overcome. 2 or 3 something left, something like that. I feel you're on the edge. Okay, so make sure that you finish it. Definitely take a strength. I have a forward movement, care around you, who all are around you. Please care them back when you get a care back. So give the love, take the love. So this weekend I see exchange of love, exchange of care, nurture yourself, grow yourself, mentally strong mainly. Okay, thank you, Cancer. So next, last second, Scorpio. So let me do Scorpio for the rest of the month. Scorpio also same card I'm getting. I don't know, because Scorpio are been involved with Cancer signs, I think so here. Maybe lots of people here, the 2 aspects what I'm feeling through energies are, for Cancer it is about relationship, for Scorpio it is about finance, about career. So everybody are depending on you right now. You have to work hard for the company growth or something. I'm feeling you have to spend more time. Temperance card, you need to have patience more, you need to balance more things. There might be something like company call or something to take an initiative to handle the project or something for you, Scorpio. Maybe you may get a big deal or a big work this weekend for a finance growth, because almost you are being worried too much about this. But definitely in coming days I see some communication for you for the money purpose. You have to do the work for them, then you will get the money in the right way. So I see you may be working for that money. You may be accepting that project, and I see you handling those project for your coming months. Okay, so definitely you'll be worrying about your career. Some communication is coming in positive way for you. Thank you, Scorpio. Last sign will be Pisces. Welcome, guys. Let me finish last sign, then take your questions. Pisces for this next weekend. Pisces, I see toxic relationship around you, toxic people around you. Maybe you're addicted to something. I see lot of addictions, maybe love failure or something like that. Maybe you can't come out of that. Maybe from long term you're going through some sort of addictions where nothing is working for you. If you take initiative to leave, come out from addictions also, it's definitely not possible for you. So mainly I see from your side you should plan to come out of it in a right way, but then too friends or family members are bothering you more. Maybe you'll be more addictive to that, something like that I'm feeling. But definitely you have a plan to leave that, but not soon, not fast. Definitely I see it takes time. It might take some 3 or 4 years more than that for leaving addiction, but definitely finance growth is there. There is opportunity coming for you, please seize it. Maybe a career or job, in your own job you can get increased salary, a hirement or a promotion in coming months, but you need to take a precautions on your addictions first. Okay, Pisces. Thank you. So guys, I have done all zodiac signs reading for the rest of this month. So I'll be uploading to Facebook the same video. Please go and check if anybody missed anything. So free readings I'll take at 7 o'clock. Now I'm not doing. So I'll come 7 o'clock sharp, so that we'll take all questions that time. So Sangeeta Chakravarti, you can ask your question at 7 o'clock. You can come back to me in next live session, because zodiac signs should be uploaded first, and 7 o'clock I'll come and do the free readings. Okay, thank you everybody.